How to reset your password for Costco Citi Card online account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Costco Citi Card login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one website, citi.com, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Citi. Now at the top right, you will find this option of Sign On. Click on it. With that, you will land to the login page. Now from this page, you are able to log into your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. As if right now you have forgotten your password and want to recover it, click on this option of Forget Password. Having trouble with your account? Select an account type and use the primary account holder's information to verify your identity. So here are tons of options given. You can choose any of these and then click on Continue. Select one of the following to complete identification verification. So you can choose user ID or account number. Choosing any of the option, you have to provide your details. So here you have to type in your user ID and then type in your social security number. Type in your date of birth. Once you fill all this, you can click on the option of Continue. And in the next page, you will need to generate password for your account. Once you generate password for your account, click on Confirm. And with that, your password will be reset. So this way you can easily reset your password for Costco Citi Card online account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.